on my way to the biggest recycling market in Asmara. So they recycle all sorts of things. Let's go, guys. Oh, welcome at the recycling market, guys. It's the entrance right here. Hello. We go inside. Just walking through here. Hello. Geez, all sorts of metal work here. Tires everywhere. So the people all staring at my tattoos here. Yeah, they do lots of things here. Similar recycling market in Addis, but much more quiet. Yeah, this is all for housing, roofs. It's quite big actually, but obviously not as big as the Addis market. And horses. Look at this one. Hello.
Hi.
Hello. Hello.
Camera.
Look, say hello. They were doing pots. Hello. Yeah, lots of stuff here. They definitely know how to do things with all that recycled material, which is great to see. At least it doesn't go for waste.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
Newly painted, Here they're doing some wood stuff and painting as well. Metal plates. Wow. Yeah, nice spices. Here some spices as well. This looks like chili. Nice little horse. Bye-bye recycling market. So, interesting place, this recycling market. Not as hectic as that is. Actually very nice to walk around. Don't get harassed. You can take pictures everywhere and people are super friendly. Now, after the recycling market, let's go and check out the city market. Downtown in Asmara. Let's go. I love those markets. There's so much culture. And actually similar to what you see in Ethiopia, you will see and find here like those hats. But it's actually not hats. It's to cover the injera. Like this. Plenty of stuff here. Cool Eritrea posters. Some nice spices, look. So let's go and check out the other side. Hello. And they have nice produce here as well. Fresh tomato. There's more over here. Tomatoes. Oh, cool. And over there they're selling sofas, beds, cupboards. Wow, all sorts of things. And the mosque here. Comfy. Yeah. Pity they don't have internet here. Otherwise, I would take and grab a chair here. It looks quite comfy, and just sit down and have a beer and surf the web. A snack bar on the other side. Electronics. It's not that big, but you can get pretty much everything you need. St. Mary's Orthodox Cathedral straight ahead of me. Let's check if it's open. Nah, it looks closed. Yeah, pity this church was closed. I guess it's only opening on Sundays. Orthodox church. It's actually a nice view up here. You can see a little bit of Asmara straight ahead. And here we have the fish market. It's unfortunately closed. Opening in the morning. Maybe I can have a quick look inside. Oh, it smells of fish. Okay, it's fairly small. And here we have the cinema. Look how old that is. Oh. Nice cafe. It's a little bit like in Italy, right? The cafes on the side of the street. People enjoying their espresso. Yeah, very nice. Italian cafe, Port Centro. It really looks like in Italy. Nice. And this is the commercial bank of Eritrea. Let's go the other side. It's a really nice walking here. Nice stroll. Oh, I love this place. Super chilled and very friendly people. Here we have the Central Post Office. Let's go inside. Post boxes here. Very cool. Still in use. Here the counters. Small packets delivery. Oh, look at that ceiling. And here we have the first hotel in Asmara. Hotel Albergo, Italia. Let's just go in. Oh. Cool hotel. And this is the outside. Bar, terrace, pizzeria. No, this is not Italy. This is Asmara in Eritrea. And the Italian cemetery. There's still about 10,000 Italians living here in Asmara. And this is where people are being buried. Look at this. It's pretty well maintained actually. Very nice cemetery indeed. Rest in peace, guys. This building, Tagliero, or Fiat building, was actually a gas station built in 1938. It has two wings on the outside there for a support system. You can see it here on top. Just going outside on one of the wings. There's a nice view up here. Actually, there's lots of car manufacturing companies right here at the city center of Asmara. Fiat, it says there on top. Tagliero. And this road here leads to Hornet Ave, which is one of the main streets in Asmara. Cool view up here. Look at this. Let's have an espresso or something. Give him a Roma. This place is apparently operational still. They're playing movies here. You can drink a nice coffee. That's pretty cool. Still in use today, primarily for football games. I mean, what an amazing performance here. It's huge. I'm gonna have a coffee macchiato now. Just got my beautiful macchiato. Cheers, guys. Very nice. Here they are serving you cookies. They're just coming around the table and serving you cookies. Actually very nice. Opera House. Well, that used to be the entrance here, now it's a cafe. Wow, look at this building. That's an old playground here. Bowling alley. Look at all those pictures. Nice photographs here. Wow. This was pretty cool, guys. Very chilled walking around here in the city. Very nice, very Italian, and people are super friendly. So I had a really good time. So yeah, as I said, super chilled there. Walking around here, very safe. That's from me, from Asmara, and from the city tour. It was very interesting. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Until next time. Cheerio.